So I've just finished cutting this now. So they look okay. So I'm now going to make the icing sugar. So what I have, very important, I've sieved the silver spoon. I've used silver spoon here. So I've used that, okay, because it's really good. It's a really good fondant icing sugar. Now what I've done is I've sifted in here to 250 grams. You can do 125, but remember, it only needs, if you do 125, you probably need about 12 grams of water. That's all. This I've used 22 grams of warm water. And I'm going to pop it in here. It's not very much. Putting it all around. That's it. Now, believe it or not, it goes a long way. So, let's see. Okay, now. Okay. Now, let me show you this. Now, I'm going to put in some green colouring. This is the bit I like most of all. Is take a little cocktail stick and you literally, shall we have it quite strong? Come on, let's make it really greeny. Let's go for it. Do you know, I'm going to put a bit more. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more. I could use the back of the spoon actually. And actually that's going to be quite a lot, so which is good. Which is what I'm after. So this is where this greaseproof is already coming in. I've put it down and it's not working on my working top. So you're not making your poor mum or dad a dirty working top. That's a better green. There we go. Now, wouldn't you agree that's nicer? Right. I'm sitting down to this only because I'm nearer to the cupcake. So all I'm going to do is pop this on and swirl it like this. And then take with the back of my spoon, so it goes in like that, all over, right to the side, right to the edges, right to the edges. Don't be shy with it. That's it. All round. That's it. Oh, I've got a little bit of crumb on there. Never mind. Right, I'm going to do one more for you. So this is a good one to do because this is really down below, isn't it? So we'll pop this on here, let it go. This is a good one. Go like that, all the way around so it touches the edges. Perfect. Leave this down and put this here. Now, bear with me. There we go, perfect. Now bear with me, I'm going to do this to all of them. Okay, I'm now going to enjoy myself. This is the fun. I'm going to decorate it with lots of different things so it looks like, hopefully, 2 caterpillars. And we'll get some leaves from the garden. We'll put them onto my leaves. And then I'm just going to have fun. So you go and have fun and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay? I've made my fun caterpillars. I've done 2 because I thought that would be really good. So I've done the woo there and then one going woo like that. I put them on some leaves because I know they love their leaves. So I think they look pretty good. I'm very red from all the red dye for their lovely lips. Look how happy they look. They're so happy. I've given them big noses because the smell of the food they love. And just lots of lovely Smarties for colour because they're very colourful. They're lovely and they're green. So I hope you've enjoyed doing them. They're great fun. Bye.